Hi everyone, this is Ryan Casada and I am here with two guys in Switzerland.
Yeah, my name is Lukas, I'm 23 years old, I identify as trans guy and mostly also as queer.
My name is Marc, I'm 20 years old and I identify as male, just normal male.
How come you don't want to be in the picture?
Yeah, I'm basically sometimes in my life I'm stealth and sometimes not, but I think it's better to be here stealth. I had top surgery in Switzerland. Here you have to wait two years. You have to go to a psychologist for at least 1 year. And then he has to give you the stamp, you're trans, and this is not gonna change. And then you can get hormones, and then when you start with hormones, you have to take hormones for about, it's what the doctors say, about 6 months or 10, about this. And then you can get top surgery.
So first you need to be on the hormones before you can get surgery?
Yes,
the surgeons
that's what
do
I
it.
know. That's what I know. I don't know in Switzerland any people or anyone who has done top surgery without being on
really?
hormones.
Wow,
Or
okay.
do you know someone?
No, but I'm trying to get top surgery without hormones.
Yeah.
And that's
you're
really a
having a
problem.
struggle.
Yeah, because there are two problems. First of all, normally you can only get surgeries when you turn 25 years. And the other problem is, the insurance doesn't pay the surgery if you don't take hormones.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So did
I
your
didn't know.
insurance cover yours?
Yes, everything.
Wow, even the hormones too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But they won't cover yours since you're not on
Yeah,
hormones.
because the problem in Switzerland is you have to fit certain criteria to get the hormones or to get the surgery.
Yeah.
And even if you want to change the name or the gender marker, there are in certain regions you have to take hormones to change your name, or without a lawyer or without any problems. The problem here is that the surgeons in Switzerland don't have much experience, because before the surgeons we have now started to make the surgery for trans people, most of the trans people just went to the States or to Germany or to Asia. Yeah.
But then there's also the problem that if you go outside of the country and make there the surgeries, the health insurance doesn't pay.
No.
So you have to be here, and here we don't have the best
Yeah.
doctors. So, but right now I think for top surgery it's not too bad. I think there are 2 or 3 doctors that do it well.
Yeah.
And for bottom surgery, I don't know.
No one here?
We have one.
Just one?
Yeah, we have one, but I think he's soon going to retire.
Oh,
Isn't
no.
he?
I don't know exactly, but
I think so, but there is one who will follow, who will come after him,
Yeah.
who is practicing with him. That's what I heard. Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Well, not on
So
him.
would you rather go to the States?
Yeah, this is the plan for me. Yeah.
for top surgery.
Yeah.
Oh, but then you have to pay by your own.
I have to pay by myself.
Do people follow YouTube a lot out here?
Actually, I think there are some people who are watching the YouTube videos, but not all. But for me, it was the first source to even get in touch with the transgender issue, with transgender issues. I didn't know anything about it before.
Wow.
So, yeah. Actually, I watched you. You were the first trans guy I saw.
Oh, cool. Nice.
And I'm also before I came out as trans, the internet was the source to find things, all the things, because on the street you don't find these informations. And then I came. I mean, if you give in YouTube transgender, it pretty fast there comes Ryan Casada. So that's how it is. So and I found you, and I also follow a lot of other people.
Yeah. Who else do you follow?
Like MQism.
Oh yeah. We live close to each other.
Really?
Yeah, maybe 30 minutes away.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
But you never made a
lived
video
in the
together.
same. I know, we need to make a video together. We lived in the same house for a little while too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Who else?
I have to think. These you.
Chase.
Oh yeah, Chase. Yeah.
Chase Ross.
Yeah, FTM Chantastic in general.
Yeah, that's right.
Have you ever made any videos?
No, not yet, because I'm not too good with technology.
Okay. Well, do people here make videos like we do in the States?
Not really. I know
Oh.
just one channel made by German people, but I don't know anybody from Switzerland actually.
No.
It's
Oh wow. Okay.
yeah. We could do that. You know.
You should.
Yeah.
If you tell someone, like, if you meet a random person and you tell them you're transgender, do they know what it is, or do you have to explain what it means?
Very often have to explain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think as well. Also, they have sometimes they know a little bit, like I've seen something on TV or.
But very little.
Yes, yeah,
Yeah.
but not how it really is, I guess.
Wow.
And they all often mistake it for transvestites.
Oh really?
Or drag, so stuff.
Yeah, or drag. Yeah.
So there's not much education here.
No, not yet.
Not at
but
all.
it's coming.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it gets
Yeah,
better.
it's. Are there leaders here in Switzerland in the trans community? Do you know any?
There. Well, you need to know. We are so small.
Yeah.
And there aren't many trans persons
Yeah.
in Switzerland, and we just have our organization which was built up like 5 years ago.
What's the name?
Transgender Network Switzerland.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe someone watching might
Yeah,
want to
maybe.
join or something.
Yeah, and since before there hasn't been like an organized movement, and now after just 5 years really things are changing, because we have a transgender lawyer and he is really pushing things forward, and our the whole people who are organizing like the events or congressions and all that kind of stuff, it's happening.
Okay.
There
yeah.
hasn't been anything before.
Okay, so it's starting.
Yeah.
Is there anything that you want Americans to know about the transgender community here?
I want to kind of thank them for all the people that are on YouTube and make their videos, because it really helped for us. Like we said, we don't have these role models of trans people on YouTube or something, and to see all these people, trans people in America, it really helped a lot to see that it's possible even in Switzerland.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you guys for being in the video.
Yeah. Thank
All right.
you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.